it's Wyf CaityB back in the building with yet another video. And where's my phone? Today is Thursday. Tomorrow's Polytube. Oh my god. So it's 9:32 Thursday, September the 5th. And I don't know what we're gonna do today. I know we're heading to Manukau at the moment. I think we're gonna be getting some locks or legs, whatever people call it, for some people in America and stuff like that. Yeah, it's on high demand. I don't think it was too, but you know what, yeah, sorry, I'm not even English right now. Okay, so yeah, I'm not too sure what we have planned today. I think today we'll be having dinner with the Tinania family. They're sleeping at the moment, so we're just waiting for them to get back to us, but I'm so excited, guys. Polytube tomorrow. I know Mama B's really nervous. I'm feeling pretty average, you know. I'm feeling pretty confident. I'm not too nervous. I'm usually pretty outgoing, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, who knows, watch this tomorrow morning. I'll probably be like stressing out and stuff. So we stopped by the war memorial hall last night, checked out checked out the place just to see how far it is from where we're staying, and yeah, where we're basically going and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm so keen. I'm so keen. So keen. But yeah, let's get on with today's plans, guys. But yeah, I think I'm ready to go. Can't forget my locks, you know, cannot forget. Let's head downstairs, guys. I'm just done did our washing. Probably gonna go dry it as well. We would hang it outside, but like the weather has been actually really bipolar here, so it's like I think it's finished. Yep. Okay, yeah, it's finished. Hold up, guys, let me just tend to this washing and I'll get back to you. Put my shoes on. I need to clean these bad boys. Guys, it is such a beautiful day outside. Guys, it was literally like a 2-minute drive. Nice and close. Yeah, 1 minute. Like 30-second drive. So yeah, let's get dry washing. Oh, that should look pretty fancy. Look new. Guys, make sure when you use the dryer to clean your stuff out. Dang. Getting that going. Yeah, I'm the next best thing. Think Periscope was good? Think again. How are you feeling, Mama B?
Nervous. I don't know why I don't have to go.
Yeah, you're coming, baby. You're coming with me. See, again, our videos, there's always a washing machine going on in the back of me. It's like our theme now. That should just be our intro song, eh? Heading to Manukau. I don't know, what are we gonna have for breakfast for mukbang today, Mom? Texas chicken.
Tonight
Surprise. Yeah, so we're gonna be going to Coup, which is where I got my locks from. Give me some.
getting extra ones.
Yeah, give me extra ones just in case someone wants to steal my glasses, you know, because it's totally typical of people to do that. Now this is where I got my glasses from, guys. You guys are looking for locks. Pretty good stuff.
Oh, yes.
To me one more time. So guys, I ended up getting the same one just in case, you know, it's good to have a spare. Will you gift it to someone? Probably not.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Let's go.
Bye.
Yeah. Let's go. Got some good stuff. See ya. Yeah, come here if you guys want some gear and stuff. We're gonna go get something to eat. And yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be eating, guys. Good old LJS. I'll probably get, I don't know what I'm gonna get yet. We'll see. Oh, look at how good this looks, man. Thank you. Yummy. Hey guys, so we finally found a seat. We're sitting close to the entrance. My Mac is at minutes and we're just gonna eat now. Guys, I'm so keen to eat. Look at my meal, bro. I was 19.9. Oh, I went up to 20 because I added cheese in my thing. Look how crispy the chicken looks, the chips. Comes with tartar sauce. And it comes with a Big John burger. Oh, it's falling out. Let me look. There's some LMP to go with it. No. Thank goodness we came here. I was a full eating gum and it was making me hungry. So guys, we just finished eating. I've never felt so light eating a big meal, like, you know what I'm saying? I feel so light, like I feel like I can do like easy 10k run. 10 burpees. Give me 30, easy. 100 push-ups.
I feel like I can do one.
Oh man. 1,000 or you guys are put on a planet. Yeah, so I knew I was gonna do that, you guys. We're just walking this way because we want to show you guys someone's here. So yeah. I told you to stay home, cuz. I told you to stay home. Oh my gosh, this guy's just crack up. It's like a mohawk on either side and then like a nice fishtail plait. Sorry if that's your uncle, guys. And now we're gonna head to Otara. Check out Stunna to see if the order's gonna be ready anytime soon. You know, hopefully it's not ready on Saturday or something, or Sunday, our last day here. I remember the last time we were at #1 shoe warehouse. Let's go have a look. We've got all the good shoes. It's like a spend less shoes up in Oz. We love our jandals. $20 for jandals. I know ladies love these. The platform sandals. Ooh, we love a good high heel that we can't fit. Don't get me wrong, I love high heels, but I just can never find the one I fit. Oh, this is nice, not too high. Oh my gosh, I love loafers, guys. That was when my feet were skinny. I want to try them on, but I can't be stuck taking my shoe off. Oh my gosh, this is the kind of shoe I wanted for formal. This, but they don't have my freaking size. Let's see if they have size 11. Yep, no size, that's for sure. Size 11, size 11, size 11. Wonder what color that is. Black. Oh my gosh. Let me try some shoes on for you guys, right? Because you guys definitely asked for it. Oh, actually, this is not the shoe that I wanted. I hate that it looks really long. Look at that. It's really long. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, I freaking love it. Oh my gosh, I love these. They're comfortable too, like I don't feel like I'm heavy in a lot of the heels that I wear. Oh, by the way, this is my outfit for today. Actually need to tuck that in because my stomach. Oh my gosh, what the hell, yo? But I'll try this shoe, guys. I'll show you guys in my closet. It looks small already, and it is small. Look at this. This is size 10. Look at this. This is not a size 10, bro. What the hell? Who lied to me? You guys just broke my heart. Anyways, guys, that's enough disappointment for me today. These are size 11, eh? That's both of us. We both need size 11. These are so nice, dude. They would suit you with like a nice dress, eh? It would so suit you. Oh, these are in style now, these sandal things. Oh, let me try one on. See how wretched my toes look with these. I never suit shoes like these because my feet are wide and oh, grey blue. Definitely not going to suit this. Oh, these are actually really comfy, guys. I like this. Ignore my ugly toes. This is actually really nice. These are so comfy. I wonder why people wear these. Put that back in there. My mom's red rage is kicking in. So yeah, we just left the mall and I met up with an old friend, Jackson. Shout out to Jackson and his girlfriend. I can't remember her name. I don't think I heard.
Sorry. Just so
yeah. Yeah, so it was nice seeing them again. Oh well, them again because it's only on yeah, it was good to see them. Now we're heading to Otara, home of the brave. You already know I'm gonna get that tattoo on my forehead. One day. Huh? Yeah, so one day. One day. Oh, my favorite car, guys. What a beauty. One day, guys. Yeah, so I'm just gonna head to Otara. For the first time, I don't know why I keep repeating myself. Okay, bye guys. See you guys there. Yeah, we're at Otara now. Just chilling. Same old stuff. Same old stuff. Yeah. It's really empty today. Yeah. And we're back here again. Hopefully our order's ready sometime soon. See the little shop here. Across from that side. This is memories, man. Me and my best friends used to come here. Some memories, man. Used to come here and get stupid stuff and just waste money here. That's what you do as a kid.
If you were good, I'll reward you. I'll give you a $10 to $20
budget.
Money allowance, and I'll bring you here to the $2 shop. And you can get whatever you want
in that
with that money.
I used to always get the
coloring pencils, felts, books.
I used to love getting those Barbie doll things. You know those Barbie doll things that come with the shoe that I could never fit.
That was until my sister-in-law introduced her to Smiggles.
Oh my gosh, Smiggles was life, man. Oh, you know, I'd get this, hey. Gang. Let's check the reel on and that. Just gonna walk around. We're just looking for shrink wrap and tape to wrap our stuff before we go. You know, all that jazz. We just missed the call from Tinania Fam. We're just gonna call them back. I don't even know how to use this. Hopefully it's loud enough. Ew, my face looks trash. Hey! What's up, fam? Oh wait, I didn't even know if I'm recording. Hard up. Not to sleep in, guys.
Sorry, I could hear you going from miles away, man.
What are you guys doing?
We're just in Otara, just roaming around looking for stuff here. Oh, guys, awesome! We just finished having a chat with Duva. From hold up, sorry, my camera's pulling up right now. Yeah, so we just had a chat with Duva from Tinania Family. If you guys haven't searched them up or don't know of them, make sure to go check them out. They got good content. They
You're not
push out, yeah. Then who are you? Yeah, you're not loyal. They push out content almost every day, every week. I mean, what can I say? Yeah, go check them out. I have them here, across, and down below. So I'm gonna have dinner with them tonight at Denny's. Yeah, no, they're still here. Yeah, so I'm pretty keen about it. Yeah. Oh my gosh! Yo, UFO's the best chips ever. You can have that with pies too.
Oh, Vietnam.
Yeah, be looking for wahoo, but specific one made in Samoa. We haven't found any yet. This is new, eh? This looks fancy. We never came to this bakery much, eh? I can't remember why I came here. I think it was certain products that I liked. I don't know if they have any on the other end. Mango? Yeah, a lot of fancy guys. Yeah, so we're heading towards Mike Rest's. Oh, let's take some of these guys. I've never tried lime red before. Don't think I will. I think I've heard it's potent. Yeah. Great tongue again. Good takeaways. Good chicken nibbles and stuff. But Mike's Rest is where we want to be, guys. Mike's Rest. Oh, I want to get the potatoes. Potatoes time. Best potatoes you'll ever have. Hold on, let me order. I don't think I'm allowed to record. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, my grandpa used to come here all the time. See, look, all the oldies in there. My grandpa would be standing amongst them. Look at this, guys. Can't get any better than this. Oh, trip down. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. Look at this, guys. Really nice. You do sit there. I think there's just a specific flyer.
Look at the moon. Look at this shot.
Guys, this is oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We've been looking for ages. Are you sure? Oh, I've always liked the
I want to put the camera. Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
No, because we can't allow any people to come and carry a camera.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Yeah.
Olo worry to sa polo o ke faingan we ngali falo lole le Kiwi Pacifika Island store.
Okay.
I Otara o le mato fela nei male au malanga le mai Australia.
Yeah.
Ya le mato falo lole le Kiwi Pacifika Island store. O mato ula ia yo mai imala I Hawaii. O le tau e suli mata la le ula tas. O flowers ia e fai e sen Samoa.
Yeah.
Samoa na malaya fo. Le mau ve kako ula fala e sa ula fala come from Samoa.
Oh, look at this, guys. We've been looking for the same.
Mau fo le afa.
Yeah.
Mahaya, he's very nice.
And that too. Oh,
Yeah.
man. Gorgeous, man. This store is gorgeous. Oh, guys, they have the
Even the wreath we sent to them too.
I'm in fans.
no, guys, you'll never see a store like this in
O
Oz.
ilia ka ko.
Yeah.
My Samoa.
Oh, good for
And
church.
everything here. Coffin kawa.
It's like a
Even the
one-stop
coffin
shop.
kawa.
Yeah.
Alfele coffin kawa.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Coffin covers, guys. Nah, guys, see? This is what I like. You have so many options, whereas over there, it's one store, everyone's wearing the same thing. Everyone.
This is a one-stop shop.
See, this is what you call an
Even
island
the
store.
material you can buy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's material.
Even the material, see my material.
Oh my god. Man, guys, they got everything in this store, like no joke. Look. They even sell normal shirts, they say Cook Island and stuff in it. Oh my goodness, y'all. They even got table covers. Your typical island store would have table covers. They even sell material. Oh my gosh, look at this material. I love this. I've always wanted like a belt or something in this material and like design. Got baskets, hardware stuff. Look, tablecloths, plasticware. It's amazing. So I like that one. Then I like this one here.
Yeah.
Oh, but it's got purple on it. So I'll probably get that normal one there. Yep. Can I try it first?
Glasses. Sorry.
Oh, this feels nice and comfy.
It's nice.
Yeah?
Just wants to look at myself.
Oh, wow. Afro circus. Oh, yup. Let me hula for you guys. I'm getting this, guys. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful this looks. Here's the place you just saw this little documentary thing from is over here. Kiwi Pacifika, cash converters, across from Canon shoes. Yeah, check it out if you're looking for a whole bunch of stuff. So we're just here to see one of the uncles. They're probably gonna be like, why is this chick recording me? Oh my gosh. Hello, uncle.
Good to see you. We're only here for a week. My driving me like, let's go see Uncle. Okay. Yeah. You guys need your car fixed.
Yeah, if you guys are in New Zealand, you guys need your car fixed, guys. Come to Allen Motors NZ. Hopefully you guys can see it.
All these cars here, because people bring their cars here and
don't come back. Yeah, so come here, get your cars fixed. It's in Otahu. I'll show you guys the street. So they're on Chelsea Ave. 20 Chelsea Ave.
Can't miss it. It's right at the end of the street.
Yeah. There you go. It's not far from. If you see this, a little more. Yeah. It's not far. Guys, so we made it back to the house, back home. But yeah, still Thursday today. Still gonna meet up with Tinania. We'll probably. We're just messaging now and then. We exchange numbers. We just finished. As you guys saw earlier, we were on a call, exchanged numbers, and we're gonna meet up at Denny's in the city for dinner. Probably have a few drinks. I don't know if I'm gonna drink. I'm already a lightweight. You already know it's not gonna go down well. No. But yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see if I drink, see if I don't. But I'm really excited to see them guys. Like, I don't even feel nervous. I feel like they're just family. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm really excited. Yeah. I want to know if I'm taller than them. That's what I really want to know, because I know their daughters are really tall and Duva's maybe like around this similar height to them, so I feel like I might be the tall one here tonight. I'm pretty excited, you know what I'm saying? Sorry guys, I just farted. No joke. I'm like, did too much eating today. Hope you guys are enjoying this little vlog so far. The next time I see you guys will definitely be when I'm with Tinania Family, or when me and Mama are in the city just chilling till we, you know, really link up with them. But yeah, oh my gosh, see you guys. Sorry, I'm like full fighting at the moment. This is like stupid. But yeah, see you guys later.